Hello friends, my name is Emma. Welcome back another helpful video. If you are searching how to cancel Walmart orders, then you are at right place. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Walmart pickup orders via online by Android and iOS in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. In the end of this video, we will also tell you how long does it take to refund the money? Method 1. How to cancel Walmart pickup orders via mobile app. Step 1. Sign into your Walmart app account. Step 2. Click on the account option. Step 3. Click on the purchase history. Step 4. Find and click on pickup and delivery purchase history. Now tap on edit order option. Now you will see a prompt offering the ability to cancel your order within 24 hours of placement. First, identify and select the order you are aiming to cancel, then click on Cancel Order. And now, you done. Method 2. Steps to cancel a Walmart pickup order via website. Step 1. Visit walmart.com. Step 2. Click on My Account at header of the website. Step 3. Tap on Account, then select Purchase History from the menu that pops up. Now, identify the order you wish to cancel within 24 hours, and once you select it, another pop-up will appear. Here, simply hit Cancel Order. And you are done. Last question. How long does it take to refund the money? The refund process for Walmart orders depends on two factors: the timing of the cancellation and the payment method used. Cancellation timing. If you cancel your order within 2 hours of placing it, you will receive an immediate refund. If you cancel after 2 hours but before the item is picked up, it will typically take 3 to 5 business days for the refund to be processed. If the item has already been picked up, it will take approximately 3 to 5 business days for the refund to be completed. Payment method. If you paid with a credit or debit card or through Apple Pay or Google Pay, it might take 5 to 15 days for the refund to reflect on your statement. If you paid in cash at the store, you will receive an immediate refund at the time of cancellation. By using this method, you can cancel your Walmart orders. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.